Hello students, let's start with the second exercise, that is 7.2 exercise. So the first sum is let p xy be the required point. Now using section formula we get x equal to 2 times 4 plus 3 times minus 1 upon 2 plus 3, where 2 and 3 are the ratios, so it gives 8 minus 3 upon 5, which is equals to 5 upon 5, that is equals to 1, and y equals to 2 times minus 3 plus 3 times 7 upon 2 plus 3, that is equal to 6 plus 21 upon 5, so it is equals to 3. So the required point is x comma y, that is 1 comma 3. The first coordinate is of x-axis and second coordinate is of y-axis. Now the second question is let p x1 y1 and q x2 y2 are the points of trisection of a line segment joining the given points such that AP equal to PQ equal to QB. So let AB be the fixed points, that is the line segment points having the coordinates 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. Now let P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 be the points of trisection such that AP is 1 ratio, PQ is 1 ratio and QB is 1 ratio. So the whole is 1 ratio 1 ratio 1. Now for the point P, it divides internally the point AB in the ratio of 1 ratio 2. So for A to P it is 1, for P to B it is 2, that is 1 plus 1. So the ratio will be M1, that is 1, and M2 is 2. So x1 equals to 1 times minus 2 plus 2 times 4 upon 1 plus 2. We have just put the values of x1 y1 for these values, and for these values A, B, the x1 is 1 times minus 2 plus 2 times 4 upon 1 plus 2. Similarly for y1 it is 1 comma minus 3 plus 2 times minus 1 upon 1 plus 2. So x1 equal to 6 upon 3, that is equal to 2, and y1 equal to minus 5 upon 3. Similarly for point Q, it divides in the ratio of 2 ratio 1. For A to Q it's 2, for Q to B it's 1. So the value of M1 is 2 and the value of M2 is 1. On solving we get x2 equal to 2 times minus 2 plus 1 times 4 upon 2 plus 1, and y2 equal to 2 times minus 3 plus 1 times minus 1 upon 2 plus 1. So x2 equal to 0 and y2 equal to minus 7 upon 3. For the third question, it can be observed that Niharika posted the green flag at 1/4 of the distance of AD. Since the distance AD is 100, so the distance which Niharika covered is 25 meter. From the starting point of the second line, it is from the starting point of the second line. So the horizontal point is 2 and the vertical line is 25. So the coordinate points are 2 comma 25. Similarly for Preet, it posted red flag. She posted the red flag at 1/5 of the total distance, that is 20 meter, from the starting point of the 8th line. Therefore the coordinates are 8 comma 20. Now the points are x1 y1, that is 2 comma 25, and x2 y2, that is 8 comma 20. Using the distance formula we get root of 8 minus 2 square plus 25 minus 20 square is equals to root of 61 meter. Now Rashmi posted blue flag at the midpoint. So using the midpoint formula between these two points, that is 2 and 8 and 25 and 20, we get x equal to 2 plus 8 upon 2 and y equal to 25 plus 20 upon 2. So x equal to 5 and y equal to 22.5. Therefore Rashmi posted the flag at 22.5 meter from the 5th line. Now the fourth sum is let the ratio in which 3 comma minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6 is k ratio 1. Since the ratio is not given to us, so we have taken it k ratio 1. We can also take it as m1 ratio m2. So therefore for the values minus 1 equal to 6k minus 3 upon k plus 1, we have just put the value minus 1 equals to these two ratios. So here the value of x is given to us. So on solving the value of x, we get the ratio of k, that is 2 upon 7. So this is our m1 ratio m2. So m1 is 2 and m2 is 7. Now the fifth question is, let the ratio in which a, that is 1 comma minus 5, and b, that is minus 4 comma 5 is divided by x-axis is k ratio 1. So the coordinate of the points will be minus 4k plus 1 upon k plus 1 and 5k minus 5 upon k plus 1. For x-axis, the y-axis, the y coordinate will be 0. So taking this term, that is 5k minus 5 upon k plus 1 equal to 0. Since it is on x-axis, so y equals to 0. On putting y equals to 0, we get k equals to 1. So x-axis divided in the ratio of 1:1. Division point is, on putting the value of k, we get the division point, the point where it get segmented, that is minus 3 upon 2 comma 0. Now the sixth question is, let 1, 2, 4, 4y, x6 and 3, 5 are the coordinates of ABCD of parallelogram ABCD. So A, B, C, D are the 6 points which are given to us. They are the points of parallelogram. Using the property of parallelogram, we know that the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. So using the midpoint formula, for AC we get 1 plus x upon 2 and the y coordinate is 2 plus 6 upon 2, that is equal to x plus 1 upon 2 and 4. This is our first equation for AC diagonal. For BD diagonal, it is 4 plus 3 upon 2 and 5 plus y upon 2, that is 7 upon 2 and 5 plus y upon 2. This is our second equation. From the first and second equation, since they are the midpoints and they are equal, so comparing them we get x plus 1 upon 2 equal to 7 upon 2 and 4 equal to 5 plus y upon 2. Therefore x equal to 6 and y equals to 3. This is our answer. The seventh question is, let the coordinates of AB xy, the midpoint of AB is 2 comma 3 minus 3, which is the center of the circle. So the center of the circle is equals to the midpoint of the 2 points, two given points, that is x plus 1 upon 2 and y plus 4 upon 2. On comparing, we get the value of x equal to 3 and y equals to minus 10. So the coordinates of A will be 3 comma minus 10. Eighth question is, coordinates of A and B are 2 minus 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma minus 4. Since AP equals to 3 upon 7 AB, firstly we will find the ratio of AP upon PB. So AP equal to AB equal to 3 upon 7. Adding minus 1 on both sides or subtracting it by minus 1, we get PB upon AP or BP upon AP equal to 4 upon 3. So AP upon BP equal to 3 upon 4. So this gives us the ratio of M1 and M2. So the coordinates of P are 3 comma 2, 3 times 2 plus 4 times minus 2 upon 3 plus 4 and 3 times minus 4 plus 4 times minus 2 upon 3 plus 4. So this is equals to minus 2 upon 7 and minus 20 upon 7. Now the ninth question is, from the given figure, PQR are dividing it in the ratios of 1:3, 1:1 and 3:1. Since it is trisected, so we are taking the 3 ratios, that is 1:1:1. Now from A to Z it is 3:1. For the first point P, it is 1:3, that is 1 times 2 plus 3 times minus 2 upon 1 plus 3. It is similar to the second question. So for this, the coordinate points are minus 1 comma 7 upon 2. The coordinate point of Q are 0 comma 5 and the coordinate point of R for 3:1 is 1 comma 13 upon 2. Let ABCD be the 4 coordinate points of a parallelogram, which are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1. So the length of diagonal AC is root of 3 times minus 1 square plus 0 minus 4 square, which is equals to 4 root 2, and the length of diagonal BD, that is equal to root of 4 minus 2 square plus 5 minus 1 square, that is equals to 6:2 units. So the area of rhombus is half times the product of their diagonals, which is equals to 24 square units. Here we have to find the area of parallelogram. using the distance formula, that is the product of diagonals times their half. Thank you.